Buongiorno paesani! I'm back in Canada in this ugly weather. Look at this. Can't even see my pool anymore. Pool disappeared in the snow. So, this week, say it in Sicilian. The sentence is fitta. What does fitta mean? It means when you have a headache. Hai una fitta. It means I have such a big headache. And with all this weather, climate change, and traveling 30 hours of driving, hai una fitta che mi sta scoppiando. It means I have such a big headache that my head's gonna burst. So have yourselves a beautiful week. I don't know, it's starting to look like Christmas, even though Easter's around the corner. Let's hope March is a crazy month. Let's hope that it'll switch over and some of the sun that I took on my face will come and meet us here in Canada and give us a bit of warmth. So, ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.